So with this drawing, it's a freehand sketch, so it's not perfect. I made a slight mistake with my paper choice and I went for my extremely cheap paper, which doesn't handle the high wax of crayons very well. But I didn't let that stop me. I continued with the sketch and I kept on going because at the end of the day, it's a learning process. And even though I wasn't able to get the saturation and the rich colours that I really wanted, I still think the image works as just a sketch at the end of the day. So if you've got the wrong paper or you don't feel that the materials are working together, have a go at completing the drawing, completing the painting, and learn and see why things aren't working, what doesn't feel right, what would you improve, and keep on experimenting, because a lot of doing art and drawing is through experimentation, and you can learn so much just through trying. Sure, the image might not end up perfect, sure you might feel like it's a waste of time and space, but you know what, you will have learned not to make any mistakes like that again. So I hope this has inspired you to not think that it's a waste of time, to keep on pushing, keep on trying, and keep on being inspired. I'd love to know, do you peeps out in the world have this same issue where when you make a small mistake, things just don't feel right and you don't feel great about the drawing, that you've made at the wrong paper area, you're using the wrong media? How do you guys feel and how do you get around that problem? Do you just scrunch it up and chuck it, or do you persevere and see if you can create something even better out of the mistakes? Personally, I think it's worth giving time and perseverance and seeing what can happen. You will reach a point where you're literally like, yep, this isn't going any further. That's fine. Stop, put it to the side, come back to it another day. You might actually find that with a pair of fresh eyes, you can see a solution to the problem. So yeah, don't just instantly give in. Have a little bit of a play. And in fact, if anything, use these pieces as an experiment. If you want to try and add a different media to the image, if you want to make a big change, erase a big piece of the image and redraw it a different way, this is experimental time. This is the time to have a bit of fun. Don't take it seriously. Enjoy yourself and have fun and get creating. I hope seeing this process and seeing how I sort out mistakes will help encourage everybody out there to have a go and keep on persevering and keep being creative, because you are all amazing artists in your own way. So till next time, all the best and happy drawing to you all.